Welcome to popupcantonese.com. I'm Brendan.
大家好，我係 Nicole.
Last time around, we dealt with
The transportation.
Transportation, exactly. This time around, we're going to tell you how to say hotel.
酒店
酒店
Now that's a second tone and a third tone.
酒店
酒店酒店
If you have to ask, where's the hotel? That would just be
酒店喺邊？
酒店喺邊？酒店喺邊？
And of course, there are different kinds of hotels.
Those cheap hotels.
Yeah, exactly. And how actually would you say cheap hotel in Cantonese?
I guess people just say cheap 酒店.
Yeah, this is the great thing about having been colonized, is that there are a lot of English words
Yeah.
in Cantonese.
Cheap 酒店
Meanwhile, other words that you might want to plug into these sentences. Restaurant.
餐廳
餐廳餐廳
That is a first tone and a first tone.
餐廳
餐廳餐廳
Say you've made an appointment to meet with a friend, and so you have to ask somebody, where's the restaurant?
餐廳喺邊？
餐廳喺邊？餐廳喺邊？
And of course, that's an awfully vague question. Like, unless you're in a really small town, they're going to ask you which restaurant.
Yeah.
Say you want to say it's the Japanese restaurant.
日本餐廳
日本餐廳
Or if you're making an appointment to meet me, it will probably be at the Vietnamese restaurant.
越南餐廳
Sometimes you're going to have to ask, which restaurant is better?
邊間餐廳好啲？
邊間餐廳好啲？邊間餐廳好啲？
Which restaurant is better?
邊間餐廳好啲？
邊間餐廳好啲？
Excuse me, which restaurant is better?
唔好意思，邊間餐廳好啲？
唔好意思，邊間餐廳好啲？唔好意思，邊間餐廳好啲？
And the reply might be, that restaurant, pointing.
Yeah.
That restaurant is really good.
And it turns out that he owns that restaurant.
Exactly.
嗰間餐廳好好。嗰間餐廳好好。
Other things you're going to need to ask the location of: the washroom,
洗手間
洗手間洗手間
that is a second tone, and a first tone.
Yes.
洗手間
洗手間洗手間
Where is the washroom?
洗手間喺邊？
洗手間喺邊？洗手間喺邊？
Or you might want to ask, is there a washroom?
有冇洗手間？
有冇洗手間？有冇洗手間？ And we've seen that phrase in our previous lesson when we ask, do you have water? 有冇水？ Do you have beer? 有冇啤酒？
So, is there a washroom?
有冇洗手間？
And of course, that's an existential question. Perhaps the person you're asking is a philosopher, and his answer will be, of course there is a washroom somewhere. You may want to specify, is there a washroom here?
呢度有冇洗手間？
呢度有冇洗手間？呢度有冇洗手間？
Yeah, so the word for here is
呢度
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 And now, unlike English, this is going to go at the front of the sentence. You're
Right.
really going to say, here is there a washroom?
呢度有冇洗手間？呢度有冇洗手間？
呢度有冇洗手間？
If you're staying somewhere for a slightly longer time, you're probably going to want to look for a supermarket.
超級市場
超級市場超級市場
Yeah, that's a long one.
超級市場
超級市場超級市場
Yeah, now that's a first tone, a fifth tone, and a fourth tone. So you put them all together and you get
超級市場
超級市場超級市場
yeah.
The key part of that word is actually 市場. It's a
Right.
market.
Yeah, exactly. And that's any kind of market, right?
Right.
Whether in the economic sense or in the corner store sense.
Right.
市場
市場市場
And of course, if you want to ask, where's the market?
超級市場喺邊？
超級市場喺邊？超級市場喺邊？
And if you want to ask, is there a supermarket here?
呢度有冇超級市場？
呢度有冇超級市場？呢度有冇超級市場？
And that just about takes us to the end of our lesson. Before we go, a quick review. Washroom,
洗手間、
restaurant,
餐廳、
supermarket,
超級市場、
hotel.
酒店。
If you have any questions, any comments,
Please leave us a comment on popupcantonese.com.
we look forward to hearing from you.
Yeah, 下次見。
Thanks for listening.
Bye.